Hey everyone, it's Nicole here. If you are new to my channel, I do a mix of shoe unboxings, I do thrift with me's, and I also do hauls like from Lululemon or other clothing brands that I'm interested in. So today we are unboxing a new shoe, and it is the Nike Air Max 95s. I've never tried this shoe, so I'm super excited. So let's get into it. Let's pull the box. It says pull for sport. We're just gonna open it up. Oh, it is not upside down this time. As you know, if you've seen other videos on my channel, a lot of the time these shoes are upside down in the box. So let's pull them out. And now we just have the classic red and white Nike box. And yeah, so I got it says the women's Nike Air Max 95s. I got them in a size 7. I will get usually a size 7.5 because that's like my perfect fit. But if I can't get them because they were sold out, I will go for a size 7. And usually it just takes me a couple of days to feel completely comfortable of wearing them. But anyways, yeah, so I usually size 7 or 7.5. Let's open up the box. Oh, let's actually take a little flip around just to look at the box in all angles. There we go. Has this little EU sticker because I think they ship directly from the Netherlands to Canada. So yeah, let's just open the box. All right, so simple white tissue paper. I always hope that Nike does something a little bit different. Sometimes I think the Huarache shoes, they did something really cool with the tissue paper. So I hope every time that I open the Nike shoe box that it's going to look, I don't know, wowing me, you know what I'm saying? But let's just hope that the shoes wow me. So let's open them up. So yes, I got them in this colorway. I think it's the Rise and Unity is what it's called. I think it's for gender equality, I think is what they did this shoe for. I'm all for gender equality and everybody having equal rights and everything like that, but I actually got this shoe just for the colors, and I actually really like the Nike Air Max 95s in just like the plain white and neutral colors, but I think they didn't have my size available, and so I seen these. I'm like, I haven't got anything rainbowy or colorful in a while, so let's try these out. And I love my Nike Air Max 90s. They're like my most comfortable shoe, so I'm hoping the Nike Air Max 95s are gonna be just as comfortable. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. They look gorgeous, and I'm just gonna take them out and let's take a closer look. Whoa, so these shoes are pretty heavy. They're kind of heavy like my Nike Lahar lows, which I really love too. But yeah, they're kind of a heavier sneaker. That isn't actually what I was expecting. Not that that's a bad thing. They feel expensive and they feel comfortable. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So the inside of the shoe, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is terry cloth. That's cool. I haven't seen any Nike shoes that have terry cloth in them. That's super cool. And yeah, look at the Air Max logo, and then the baby pink laces. I love pink. Pink's one of my favorite colors. Actually, my favorite colors is actually pink and rainbow, but I love all colors. But yes, look at the back. It has this coral color, and then it has the green, blue, pink, and the golden yellow. And then actually the tongue fabric is actually very interesting. It kind of looks mesh, but it's not. It's like this thicker fabric. There is kind of a mesh lining right here on the sides. And then really I just love how Nike's been doing lots of texture and layers. As you can see, look at how many layers are in the tongue and on the sides. It's very architectural and very artistic. So yeah, green Nike symbol on here, little divots here, lots of details in this shoe. I am loving this shoe. And then there's the obvious, the the Air Max little things here. A bit different for sure. I just love that. That is super cool. They have a big one on the back, on the side, little bubbles on the side. This is just making me so happy. The bottom of the shoe, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it says Unity. Look at that. So yeah, it's like a clear sole. It says Unity. And then under here is kind of like a plasticky thing. And it says Nike underneath. Like I'm saying, like layers upon layers on this shoe. Like all the details there, not disappointing. I am loving this. And yeah, like the soft leather right here and on the toe. This is such a cool shoe, you guys. Like we haven't even tried these on yet. I know, I'm just like still oohing and eyeing at them. Look at these. Let's look up closely, kind of at the tongue area, looking at the side. Oh, okay, so they say Rise and Unity. One says Rise, one says Unity. So yeah, that's super cool. So yeah, that's the bottoms. This is the sides. Let's just do a little 360 view of the shoe. There we go. Loving these shoes, guys. I am super stoked. Let's try them on. How about it? So yeah, I just gotta pull the tissue paper out of the shoe. And oh, I should show you guys the inside of the shoe before I turn. So it looks like they are removable soles. Are they removable? I think, yeah, you can remove them, but the bottoms feel pretty sticky. That's a different sole. So the soles are actually sticky underneath. Underneath this kind of has this, let's see, blue fabric that's stickier than the other removable soles that I have for my shoes. But yeah, that's the inside of the shoe. It has the Unity with the blue symbol. Let's see if it says Rise on this side. I just took this little sticker out. And yeah, this one says Rise. Other one says Unity on the inside. So the inside that says Rise, it says Unity on the sole. This one says Unity inside. This one has a Rise on the sole. Okay, let's just try these on, guys. Now you guys will be interested to know, there's been some comments on my channel to suggest that I wear I think these are these ankle length or crew length? I think they're ankle crew, I think. But somebody suggested to wear lower socks with my sneaker unboxings, and I really agreed with them. I tried getting the white with the black Nike symbol, but there was none. There's just a bunch of colors, so I got this neon one. It was like in a colorful pack, and I picked the neon ones to wear with this shoe unboxing today. So I just thought I'd mention that. So let's just get these on. Okay, so these shoes, I'm just gonna show you before I'm trying them on because I'm just seeing. But see the sides right here? It kind of is a bit strange. See that? It's kind of like a sock or something. Kind of like the Huarache, how it's different in how they made the sneaker. So yeah, just thought I'd share that. Let's put these on. Ooh, these feel cushiony. Very cushiony. Oh my gosh, you guys, these pink laces are so cute. Something I do notice right away though is these laces are actually pretty short. I'm trying to tie the bow. It's a little short. Way shorter than any of the shoelaces I have. There we go. Okay, I was able to get it done up. Okay, next shoe. Oh, you guys, I'm telling you, these are so comfortable. I haven't even walked in them. Oh, these ones are, laces are a bit longer, but still a bit short. Strange. Okay. Oh. Like these have like not a tight, uncomfortable feeling, but like a, I've got you type of comfort. Whoa, you guys. These are so comfortable. Oh yes. This is like kind of the same feeling of the Nike Air Max 90s, but more pillowy. These are gonna be so comfortable to walk in. I can tell that I'll be able to walk long distance in these shoes. Very nice. Love it. All right, I'm just gonna kind of walk back and forth and see how they feel. So, yeah, they feel good. You guys are gonna love these shoes. Give them a try. The final verdict of these shoes is go and get them right now. If you are a Nike Air Max 90s fan, you're gonna love these. I feel like these are even like a step up in comfort. I'm wondering if that's why they call them 95s, if they're up more than the 90s. I don't know if there's anything into that, but yeah, these are so comfortable. Also, you know how I was saying about the size 7.5 is usually my like perfect comfort? I feel like these are like, they're not going to be needing any breaking in or anything. This is just like perfect, fits my foot beautifully. I feel great when I'm walking with them. I love these, and I would get these in a size 7 again. And yeah, if I had to, I would get these in size 7 again. Yeah, I am like giving these like a 10-star rating. I don't know if I've ever rated things on my channel before, but love these shoes. These are gonna look so cute all summer. I'm excited to go on walks and bike rides with them. And yeah, you guys need to try these shoes. They're so pretty, look at them. Okay, anyways, that is the end of the unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you want to stick around, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you are notified whenever I put a video up. And if you like show unboxing videos, hauls, and thrift with me's, you're gonna like my channel. And yeah, I just love it if you would subscribe if you like that type of thing. So yeah, comment your thoughts on these shoes down below. Like this video, it really helps my channel. And I will see you guys next time. See you later, guys.